Hi, I'm Regina.
And I'm Pat.
We're back from the customer service team. So we've talked a lot about how we, in customer service, deal a lot with late emails, missed appointments, all of the stuff that's kind of a drag. The flip side of our job is that we get the wonderful emails from shippers and receivers and customers that love seeing our drivers come into their facilities day in and day out. On-time service and proactive communication all plays into that. Pat, do you have any good ones of happy communication?
I do. Some of my favorite ones to get are drivers who are being proactive, a delay or something like that. They immediately send in, hey, I'm gonna be a little late and all that, and then voila, they get fixed sooner than that, and all of a sudden we get to tell the shipper or receiver, hey, this driver is now gonna be here on time, no problems, no delays, no nothing like that. These shippers and receivers absolutely love it, and who loves it even more is the big wigs up at the customers. So that is always great, and some of my favorite communication emails to send to shippers and receivers.
I know, besides sending them, I love receiving them. It's great when one of our facilities reaches out and say, hey Regina, this Bay and Bay driver just came in. He helped us move a trailer and he was really respectful and considerate and just had a great attitude that it was just wonderful seeing him come in day and day out.